Hi guys, welcome again. आज हम सीखेंगे how to do smoky eyes. Now let's get started. Let's dive deep into it. So सबसे पहले मैंने अपना फेस क्लेंस कर लिया है, डीपली मॉइस्चराइज कर लिया है, क्लेरेंस का फेस ऑयल लगाया है एंड नाउ आई एम अप्लाइंग द सनस्क्रीन ओवर हियर. इसके बाद मैं अप्लाई करूंगी LA Pro Girl Concealer. Now this is orange color corrector in the liquid base. I'll be using it over my acnes and under my eyes and everywhere else where I have pigmentation. So a little bit on my chin and over my forehead because I do see some pimples over here. So let's apply this thoroughly. लिक्विड बेस है तो हमेशा याद रखिएगा ब्लेंडिंग इमीडिएटली बहुत ज़्यादा रिक्वायर्ड है बिकॉज नहीं तो फिर वो ड्राई हो जाएगा और ब्लेंड ढंग से नहीं होगा. सो इसलिए हम ब्लेंडिंग बहुत अच्छे से कर रहे हैं एंड फॉर दिस आई एम यूजिंग अ बिगर साइज ब्रश and I'm blending it thoroughly. Also, the amount of liquid that you take should not be too much. Here I do not require a lot of color correction, इसलिए मैं उसको ज़्यादा blend कर रही हूँ. I could have gone for the darker shade, but because I wanted to teach you how to do it with a liquid concealer, let's go ahead and do this. I'm also going to be applying over my eyes because I do not want any eyeshadow not to be visible under the visibility of my wings and nose. अगर हम ये स्टेप कर रहे हैं तो हम हाइलाइटिंग कंसीलर बाद में स्किप कर सकते हैं आईज पे. Now I'm going to be applying NARS foundation. Again, I like NARS foundation because it's medium coverage. I do not like to do a lot of coverage over my face, but it's a buildable coverage again. So I'm gonna go for the lighter base because that is what I generally prefer. So let's go with the foundation. I'm gonna use my big size brush to apply my foundation and then I would blend it correctly. मैंने आपको कहा था कि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा कवरेज रिक्वायर्ड नहीं होता है और ना मैं एज एन इंडिविजुअल पसंद करती हूँ. सो आई एम गोना ब्लेंड इट इनफ that it gives my skin finish. Let's apply over all the areas required. और जैसे कि मैंने आपको कहा था कि पहले लिक्विड फाउंडेशन लगाया है तो हम उसे ब्लेंड पहले करेंगे before we apply. So I'm using my damp beauty blender to apply it. The movements are very soft and it's not very far away from my face because I do not want the base to move. I am applying the same foundation over my eyes and I'm going to skip the step of applying a concealer, the highlighted concealer that we apply afterwards. So I'm going to be applying this on my eyes and then I would not feel the requirement of the concealer. I'm going to blend it all together and make it a flawless base. Now, this is the concealer that I love, the Too Faced concealer over my eyes, but because I do not require today, I have gone for the other two additional steps. So I'm going to skip this. It is optional. If you still feel the requirement, go ahead and apply. Now let's directly come to the eyes. I'm going to apply from the Character Cosmetics a pink shade over my entire lid area. And I'm going to blend it perfectly. Like it has to be such seamless blending that no harsh edges. It should look like literally a pigmentation is gliding through your eyes. This is what we are trying to achieve over here. I'm using a different brush over here. This is the smaller brush that I'm using for my eyes and I'm blending it correctly. Now, to ensure the blending is perfect, I'm also using a beauty blender. Now I'll be creating a crease from a deep brown color with a very sharp brush because I want the sharp line to come and then thereafter I'm going to be blending it. So this is a sharp thin brush from which I'm creating my crease. Do not worry about the shape of the crease as of for now because we are anyway going to be blending it. It always has to be little above your real crease. Now I'm blending it with the blending brush. I blended it perfectly well. If you can see how beautiful it looks. Now we're gonna take the eyeshadow in deep dark brown color or the black color. I've opted for black because I'm wearing something in black. And now I'm going to be blending it with the same brush that I used for the crease. Again, the point over here being that you have to apply the shadow in the center of the eye and then you have to start blending it. As we go up, the blending becomes lighter. So the major pigmentation has to be on the lower eye, and as we keep on going up, it becomes lighter. The same color is what I'm applying under the eyes. I'm not gonna go for kajal because kajal generally makes your eyes look small, but I'm gonna give the effect from applying the same eyeshadow on the lower eye area. The same thing is what I'm doing on the another eye. There's the black brown pigmentation eyeshadow that I'm applying on the lower eyes. अब हम लाइनर लगाएंगे. मैं बहुत ही पतले ब्रश का इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ एंड आई एम यूजिंग अ जेल आईलाइनर. आई एम फॉर्मिंग अ थिन लाइन. आगे से हम सिर्फ थिन लाइन बनाएंगे और पीछे जाते हुए वो लाइन मोटी हो जाएगी. नाउ आई एम फॉर्मिंग, आई एम मेकिंग श्योर दैट लाइन इज कमिंग आउट स्ट्रेट. और अगर थोड़ी सी स्ट्रेट ना भी आए तो चिंता मत करिएगा, हम इसे स्मच कर देंगे. यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट इट सो मच. मैंने ऐसे स्मच कर दिया है और इसके एंड से मैंने लाइनर से विंग निकाली है. वो विंग मैं नीचे जाके नीचे हमारी लोअर लाइन में ऐड कर दूंगी. And this is what the final look looks like. I've applied my lashes, I've done my lips, and I've done my blush, and here I am. Powder setting मैंने सिर्फ under eyes पे की है, and then makeup fixer. That is it. This is the way your eyes look after the smoky eyes. And for all the products, do not worry about it. I will put it in my link. Go buy it and try it. जब तक आप try नहीं करेंगे तब तक आप मेकअप learn नहीं कर पाएंगे. सिर्फ वीडियोस देखने से कुछ नहीं होगा, आपको ट्राई जरूर करना पड़ेगा. So go try it and then let me know how did you find it. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा नहीं लगा तो भी आप मुझे बता सकते हैं. And for more such videos, do let me know what kind of videos you would like to see. Until next time, see ya.